channel. This is me, Shazia. In today's video I'm gonna do the part 2 of my jewelry collection, and like I told you guys in my previous video, I'm gonna be doing a part 2 where I'll be showing you guys only my earring collection. So guys, here I am for it, and I am going to show you guys only my earring collection today because it is a huge collection. But I did have one thing that I did not show you guys last time, and that was this box right here. So I already showed my necklaces to you guys in my part 1. If you guys haven't seen my part 1, please do check it out, you guys. I showed all of my other jewelry in that, so I just missed out one necklace because I didn't have a proper box to keep it, but now I found a box. So this is the box, and I have this jewelry right here. So this is a statement necklace, and please don't mind the name of the store. It is For Gold and Diamonds, but this is definitely an artificial piece. So this is the statement necklace that I would like to show you guys. This is how it looks like. Yeah, and this was gifted to me by my sister's sister-in-law, and this is a necklace by the brand Lovisa. I don't know if you guys know this brand, but it's an international brand for accessories, and it has all amazing and classy jewelry. Just look at this statement necklace right here. It looks absolutely beautiful on plain dresses, and it really makes a lovely piece. So yes, this is one of the necklaces that I did not show you guys last time. So yes, that was about it. Now let's move on to earrings. So guys, for my earrings I have this bag where I store all my earrings. This bag, this pouch is really spacious. It has a round zip, like you guys can see. It has a completely round zip, so it opens up, and it's very spacious. You can store so many things inside. No matter how much you store inside this bag, you can still end up closing the zip. That's how much spacious it is. So that's the reason I have this bag where I keep all my earrings, and I have attached this very beautiful and cute fur keychain over here. I absolutely love fur keychains. You guys, look how adorable that looks, and it's so soft and pretty. So yes, let's just open this. And it's a bag by Fly Emirates, you guys, and I don't even remember how many times I have traveled with Fly Emirates. I have traveled in that flight so many times, so I think I got like 2 bags from Fly Emirates. So one of these bags is this, which I saved and kept it because I was sure it's going to help me store something. And yeah, so this is how the bag is. And first, let's see what I have inside this pouch right here. Look at that. So guys, I have not stored my earrings in a proper way. There are a lot of earrings which I have just inserted inside a pouch. I've not even put them inside these earring holders like these. I don't know what they're even called as, these plastic holders. Some of the earrings are not even placed in holders, but I don't have a lot of these holders. I just end up either throwing them or just end up losing them, so please don't mind. Let's just open and see. Okay, the first piece that I have inside it is this one right here. It's a stone leaf earring. This is how it looks like, and it's a very pretty piece. Look at how it's glistening. And I told you guys in my part 1, I have a lot of stone jewelry. I don't know if stones are even trending these days, but I just end up having too much of stone jewelry. So look at that. Then the next piece that I have is another stone jewelry. That is this one right here. And guys, also most of the earrings that I have right here are all from Dubai. Like I told you guys in my part 1, 95% of my jewelry is from Dubai because I have stayed there almost 19 years of my life. So all the accessories and the things that I used to buy are all from the local shops over there. So these are another earrings, and these are also quite pretty. Really pretty earrings. Look at them. I love the shape, and they look really nice. Then the next piece that I have are Chand Balis, and I'm sure you guys love Chand Balis. It's golden and red Chand Balis. Let's look at them, you guys. They look so pretty. Look at that. And they look really beautiful for weddings and stuff. Whenever you wear them, whenever you wear them on weddings, they look really beautiful. They make a very nice piece, and I absolutely love how these look like. Again, these are from a local shop of Dubai, but I'm sure you get Chand Balis everywhere these days. Very pretty. These earrings, these are again by Lovisa. Like you guys can see the sticker itself. My sister gave these earrings to me from Australia, and this is how they look like. I'm not a great fan of these earrings. Like, I don't like the design and the colors much, but they're good. They're not bad, but it's just that I don't like them a lot. This is how they look like. Very nice Lovisa earrings, and I do have a few jewelry from Lovisa. I'll be showing you guys more earrings that I have from Lovisa. So then the next last piece that I have are these earrings right here, you guys. Now these are the only earrings that I got from purple.com, from an Indian website. Like I told you guys, most of my jewelry is from the local shops of Dubai, but this was one of the pieces that I got from here, from purple.com. This is how they look like, and I was very attracted to these earrings when I saw them in purple.com. I actually didn't have any idea of buying any earrings or something, but once I was just scrolling on purple, and I was just looking at the jewelry section, and I just came across these earrings. They looked very pretty, very attractive, and I just grabbed them. But I think I bought them for 250 rupees or 350 rupees, which is not worth for these earrings, because as soon as I got them, I actually ended up removing one pom-pom from here, so they were not very nicely made. And also since these are a chain earrings, since they have chains attached, they actually get tangled up very quickly. They just get tangled up. No matter how safely how you store them, they still just end up getting tangled with each other. So that is one of the cons. So these are pretty, these are good, but not very worth buying. But yes, I do wear them sometimes. Alright, you guys, the next piece that I have are these ones right here. I think I got these from one of my relatives. So look at that. Very pretty. And I think these are bought from India, because one of my relatives from India gifted me these earrings. I don't remember who, but they're very pretty earrings. This is actually purple, you guys. This is a purple color. Let me just show you guys. This is actually purple. Oh, why is it not catching on the camera? But it's like a very dark purplish color. Yeah, and they look really good on my purple outfits, and especially for weddings and stuff, they look really pretty. I lost a few stones from here, but anyway, they're still very pretty ones. Yeah, so that's that. Then I have these earrings right here. See, and I also had a mangtika and a necklace which came with the set. I showed you guys the mangtika in my part 1, but these are the earrings. So this is how they look like. They're very pretty, perfect for weddings, but they're very, very old. They're actually fully oxidized. If you turn them to the back, they're completely oxidized. But here are the earrings. They look really pretty. Actually, they're good for wedding, perfect for weddings and stuff. They look really good, but they're very, very old, and I think the design is also pretty old. Yeah, but I just have them because they are good. They look good, that's why. But they do look good. Then guys, I have some things inside this pouch right here to just take this and show you guys separately, because there are too many things in there. So yeah, so the first piece that I have are these jhumkis right here. I'm sure most of us love jhumkis, and this was gifted to me by my sister. Again, she got them from, I think, Australia, and yes, by the way, Australia has Indian jewelry if you're wondering. So yes, this is how they look like. Very pretty jhumkis, you guys. I think I lost like 2 pearls from the from this side, like you guys can see, but yeah, you're not able, but then from far people are not able to notice that. So I do wear these earrings often, especially to weddings, and on those festive traditional dresses. They look very pretty, even on saris. So yeah, this is one of the jhumkis. Then the next piece that I have are these ones. Again, my sister gave me these earrings from Australia. That's how they look like. They're very pretty, you guys. The camera is not doing justice to how they look in front. They're actually golden in color. They became a little oxidized, but they look very classy and very, very chic as well, and they look really good on both Western as well as Indian outfits. So I absolutely love these, and they're very, very lightweight, and the camera is not doing justice to how good they look in real, you guys, seriously. Yeah, then the next piece I have are these ones right here. Let's look at that. So I also have another color variant in this one, which I'll be showing you guys next. So these are also little old ones, but I haven't worn them much often, so they still look new and pretty. Yeah, then the next ones that I have are these beautiful hoops, you guys. They look really pretty. I really love them. The only thing is that they make too much of a noise. So but then they have this really nice coin like design, and I really love them. They look really nice on the traditional dresses, even on Western outfits. If you want to make like an Indo-Western look, they look really good. So yeah, this is how they look like. Absolutely love these. Then the next piece that I have are these Chand Balis again. And if you guys are wondering where the other Chand Bali is, I should ask you guys, have you seen my part 1? Because I told you guys in my part 1 that the other earring, I made it into a Mang Tika. I attached it into a chain and made it into a Mang Tika. So the other earring is in the form of Mang Tika right now. I just have the other earring with me, so whenever I want to wear them as earrings, I can just wear them as earrings. But one of the earring, I am currently using it as a Mang Tika, so I make both uses out of these. So these are very beautiful piece, like you guys can see. Very pretty piece, perfect for traditional dresses, weddings and stuff. They look really nice. Then guys, my favorite two earrings, the most favorite out of all jewelry that I have, are these really cute earrings. I just can't express my love for these earrings, you guys. They're the most prettiest earrings. They're so cute. I always wanted fur earrings like these. They're so soft and they're really pretty. I absolutely love them. So I always wanted fur earrings, and my sister got these Lovisa earrings from Australia. Two color variants. One is this blue and the other one is black. I love both the designs. I love the feel of these earrings. Is so good, you guys. Like, I just love them, and they look so beautiful even on the western as well as the traditional dresses, and I just love them. I have no words to express my love for these earrings. They're so beautiful, and I just love them. I'm saying that so many times, but that's so true. It's pretty much what I had inside this pouch. Okay guys, let's go back to the pouch. Okay, I have these earrings. I showed you guys the maroon one just now. Now I'm showing you guys the black color variant in this. The same earring. Why is this one turned? Okay, so these are the ones, and they look really pretty, you guys. I really love them. Yeah, look at that. And I think I bought the black one. I think I bought the maroon one first, and then the black ones I bought them later on. I found the same design, so I thought, why not buy these, because I love these earrings. So why not another color variant in these? So look at that, they're very pretty. Then the next earrings I have are these really beautiful piece, you guys. Just look at that. This is like a bridal jewelry. I don't even know why I have it but these are very pretty earrings. Just look at that. Oh my god. And they're very pretty, but I haven't worn these often because I feel like they might just make my look a little overdone. I don't know, but I think it'll look good on maybe play dresses, or I don't know, but I have not worn these so far, but they're very beautiful. I have some earrings inside these inside this pouch right here. These earrings were gifted to me by my aunt, and this is how they look like. And these were bought from here itself, you guys, not from Dubai. And I think I've not even opened these so far. Yeah, but they're very pretty earrings. Now, I'm not a fan of small or medium sized earrings like these. I mostly love long earrings or jhumkis or chand balis or hoops. You know, I don't like I'm not a great fan of these you know, short sized earrings, but they are nice. But they are nice and pretty. Look at that. Next piece I have inside this is these ones right here. Look at these. These are not oxidized ones, you guys. These are silver in color. They're not oxidized. They look oxidized on the camera, but they're not oxidized. But this is how they look like. Just stone jewelry. It has stones here and some grey stones here as well. Thing that I had inside this pouch was this Mang Tika right here. I just forgot about this Mang Tika. I showed my Mang Tikas in my part 1, but I missed out this Mang Tika. I don't know how I had it inside this pouch. So this is the one of the Mang Tikas that I have. It's a very beautiful one, you guys. Looks perfect for weddings and stuff. I really love this. Look at that color. And it's a little old, I guess, and I don't know, I think one of my relative gifted this. I don't have an idea from where I got this even, but it's a very nice one. Look at that. So this is one of the Mang Tikas I have, and I don't know, I just forgot to show them in my part 1. I just missed this out, but I have them here. Now, guys, I have 2 oxidized earrings right here. My sister gave these to me again. These were actually her earrings. I think she got this from here itself, not from Dubai or Australia, but these were hers. I think she had them with her. She used to wear them, but she gave them to me. And I remember the thing that she told me while giving these earrings to me. She was a little pissed off about all these stone jewelry that I have. It was like, I just have stone jewelry and I don't have anything oxidized or anything which is trending these days. She was like, just get yourself these oxidized earrings. I have these 2 earrings, just take them. Also try wearing oxidized earrings sometimes rather than just your usual stone pieces all the time. That's what she said, and she gave them to me. So I always remember her statement whenever I wear these earrings. So very nice looking actually, you guys. And it's not like I don't like oxidized jewelry, it's just that I don't have much of it. That's all. I have mostly stone jewelry. That's the actual thing behind it. So these are another ones. These also look quite unique. Look at that. That's how they look like. Yeah. All the oxidized jewelry that I have, I don't have any other oxidized jewelry. I do want to buy an oxidized necklace or a ring, but that's all I have for now. Okay, I also have some bangles right here, you guys. I have not worn these bangles so far, but this is how they look like. Very colorful and they look nice, but I have not worn these. I just have them with me. So this right here, you guys, these are very, very beautiful ones. Just look at that. Just look at this, you guys. Wow, I absolutely love these. Just look at them. Looks so pretty. Just look at how they're glistening. Oh my god. I wore them last at my sister's wedding, which was back in 2014. After that, I did not even touch these. I think this is the second time I'm touching these. Yeah, I've not worn them, that's what I mean to say. But yeah, I think I should wear these earrings the next time I go for a wedding or something. I should somehow mix and match and wear these because they're very, very pretty earrings. Just look at that. I love these. Next, I have this huge cover right here where I just have placed earrings randomly without those plastic holders because I just don't have them. But I'm just going to show you guys. So again, these earrings were gifted to me by my sister and they look very, very pretty. Look at these, you guys. I absolutely love these. They're very, very lightweight. They actually look like they're heavy, but actually they're not. They're as light as a paper. Good on every traditional outfit. I absolutely love these earrings. They're very, very beautiful. Yeah, and they look really good in real. The camera is not doing justice to how good these look. They're very pretty in real. So yeah, these silk tassel earrings, you guys, these ones. And I don't know if tassel earrings are trending now, but when I bought these earrings, I think back in 2018 or something, these earrings were so trending. Like tassel earrings were so trending at that time, and they actually look white on camera, but they're not white. They're actually, rose gold. These tassels are actually rose gold in color. Very cute, very pretty earrings, very cute. And I love these silk tassels. Very nice earrings. So yeah, I again got these from Dubai. Here, this is how they look like. Again, I came quite oxidized. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it from the camera, but they're actually pretty oxidized. Like, yeah, you can see the blackness here. So they're pretty old actually, but this is how they look like. Yeah, these earrings right here, look at these. I remember I bought these earrings specifically for my anarkali, which was light blue in color. So back then I used to actually wear everything matching to my outfit, and these days all we do is mix and match. Back then, mix and match wasn't so much in trend. Mostly what I used to do is wear the exact color of earrings, exact color of purse, exact color of shoes or slippers. So I had a light blue anarkali and I bought white and light blue stone earrings. These are definitely very pretty, but now I don't think I'm going to wear them on any of my blue outfits because they're not going to look that great. Because these days, like I told you guys, it's all about mix and match. But I still have them because they're quite pretty. So I also have some hoops with me. My sister gave these hoops to me again. I think she got them from Australia. Look at these hoops. They're very classy, very trendy, and hoops are still in trend, and I think they do make a good statement look. So these hoops, I love these hoops, but I think given to me by my sister. These are very plain silver hoops that I think most of us already own. So this is how they look like, these hoops. Then I also have another hoops which my friend gave me, and these are a little unique. You can see they're heart-shaped hoops. You guys can see these are heart-shaped. Look at that. It's like two hearts together. It looks really pretty. Love these hoops. Yeah. And I have these two earrings right here. These pearl-like earrings. Look at that. This is how they look like. Again, I got these from Dubai. And I have not worn these often, but back then when I bought these earrings, I think it was 2013 or 14. Yeah, it was really that long back. And when I bought them, I used to wear them so often, or even on Western as well as Indian outfits, and they used to look really pretty to me. They are definitely pretty even now, but back then I used to wear them more often than I wear them now. So yeah, these ones. So yes guys, this was all that I had in my earring collection. Let me know which earrings of mine were your favorite from my collection. And also, I had been planning to do my jewelry collection video from such a long time now, and finally I did it. I feel so relieved. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you actually enjoyed it. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.